Okay, we're going to do a new video here. This is going to be called "Do Suppressors Really Work?" And I think this should pretty well prove that they do. You be the judge here if I can ever get to where my videos are. We went out the other day and I'm still injured, so I was sitting in the truck. I can't walk at all, especially in a cornfield. I went out with the Trussell brothers and Brian Trussell, and let you know here, I'm going to show you two videos, and both of these are about 400 yards off. You can tell by the wind noise that both of these have sound. The Trussells are shooting full power ammunition, and Braden and Brayson Trussell are shooting 7.62 by 39. Brian Trussell is shooting 6.5 Grendel. So here you go. If you notice down here, I'm on 10 power, and you can just barely see the hogs in the cornfields there. I'm going to tell you in advance, at least 6, maybe as many as 10 shots were fired here. And they were about 400 yards off. Now watch this hog right here. When he starts running, they start shooting. There's some out further. See the mother hogs running? You can hear the wind noise. I didn't even hear a shot. In real life, I absolutely heard the shots, no question. See that little deer there? He heard the shots, and he was going to sneak in between me and the truck. So that you knew it wasn't very loud. They're still shooting there. The sound of the bullet hitting the hog is louder than the actual shot. You notice you don't hear nothing. Okay, that's one little scenario there. And this one is it doesn't have the wind noise. And you're going to hear 3 shots. Well, you're not going to hear them, I don't think, but you might. Brian Trussell in the middle, Braden and Brayson on the sides. Again, the hog is about 400 yards off. Everybody's shooting suppressed. You look when he holds up his gun, it's got like a lightsaber on it. Weird looking. I'm on black hot. Now, I didn't hear the shots on the computer, but I can hear them in real life. Watch when the old hog falls. Of course, you got shot 3 times at about 80 yards all at the same time. You drop pretty hard too. Listen close. All right. I could just barely hear it on the computer. If you notice, I got the sound on right there. That was 3 simultaneous shots, so it would have been louder. They're all full power ammunition. Do suppressors work? Well, in that first scenario there, they stayed in that same field, and after shooting all those rounds, they had 2 more groups of hogs come in, and were able to shoot them for about a total of 10 hogs in one field in about an hour. So, do suppressors work? I'm here to tell you they absolutely do. Thanks for watching.